Aw man, it feels good to be back home. Hajime, my man, what's been up? When did we get this base upgrade? What's the matter? Did something happen while I was gone?
Listen Phil, we don't have much time. And I just want to say ごめんなさい.
Sorry? What for?
Well. Look who it is.
Oh, new type, Jesus no.
If it isn't my employee of the month, the one who decided to run off to Florida to go visit his sister aunt to be born. You know, I should pop your head right now. Give me a reason.
Listen, boss, I can explain.
I'll humor you. You got 10 seconds. Go.
I learned my lesson from last time. Going to Florida was strictly business. An opportunity presented itself.
And just what exactly is this opportunity that you had to leave your post to do?
It should be arriving very soon. I had to rent a transport chopper to get it here. My brother-uncle should be here any minute. Oh look, here he comes now. Alright, steady. A little more to the right. Slowly now. And release the cargo.
Well, I'll be damned. You actually really did come through, Phil. Huh. Well, maybe you're not so bad after all. Alright, I forgive you.
Oh God, now I remember why I only do the bare minimum work at this job.